Long before spreadsheets and office towers, people still needed one simple truth. What do I own? What do I owe? And what is truly mine? In the earliest markets, traders counted grain, silver, animals, and promises. Even then, the balance sheet was taking shape. Not yet polished, not yet named in modern language, but alive in every careful record. An accountant would recognize the pattern immediately. Assets are what you have: coin, cargo, land, tools. Liabilities are what you owe: loans, unpaid trade, future obligations. And the difference, equity, is what remains under your control. That is the genius of the balance sheet. It turns a life of motion into a snapshot of position. Centuries change the tools, but not the question. Kingdoms, merchants, factories, and modern companies all return to this same frame. A balance sheet does more than list numbers. It reveals stability, risk, and resilience. It shows whether growth is built on strength or borrowed time. Across history, this quiet financial snapshot has helped people see not just what they possess, but what they truly control.